This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, Italian sushi Futomaki. I want to state for the record that this is not by any stretch of the imagination traditional sushi, which is rice, balls or rolls with raw fish, vegetables, etc. The Americanized sushi items contain all kinds of ingredients that are both raw and not raw. This viral Italian sushi is similar to a specific type of sushi known as Futomaki, the fat roll. This is Italian Futomaki, no cap. And to me, it's reminiscent of an Italian sub, hold the bread, or an antipasti rolled into a delightful mouthful of flavor. You should make this and make your kitchen magic. Okay, this looks amazing. Italian sushi. What could be bad? Oh yeah, that's a flavor explosion. Oh wow, so good. I suggest you make this. Make your kitchen magic. Let's eat.